Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be going over the Xbox Series X backwards compatibility, and down in the description I'll have a link that lists all of the backwards compatible titles. It's actually quite an expansive list, and show you how this works in practice. So just taking right off of my game shelf, this is a game that I think I bought like 10 years ago, Dante's Inferno for the Xbox 360. So opening this up and taking out the Dante's Inferno disc and sliding it right in the Series X. And then I'll take you over to the user interface of the Series X to show you what happens when you put in a disc for the first time. So once you pop in the disc over on the Series X, it should pop up with potentially something that says update this for your current console. To play this game, you need to download a free update, and then it'll show you how much space that it takes. And I'm going to go ahead and select install. And then for my Dante's Inferno game, it's going to be installing this particular update for my Series X. And once the game is done installing, you just simply launch it on the home page here with your controller. And then it'll just take you right into the game, and it also might pick up settings that you had on the game previously if you're hooked into the same Xbox account from when you potentially played a backwards compatible game in the past. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.